Good. The next classification is based upon the inheritance. Inherited entrepreneur. It is usually called a second generation entrepreneur, or even it may be called as an innovative entrepreneur in another sense. As I already told you, the same group may come under both things. They may be even the classical entrepreneur, or they may be considered as the social entrepreneur, or in both. Same thing. Here is an inherited entrepreneur. Some of you heard about the Kira Labs, which has been introduced by the one of the person called David Rosen. He introduced the concept of Kira Labs, that is beauticians. Now only we are seeing beauty parlors, but he introduced a new concept in beauty parlors. His aim is to make something in a sense that it should have the value of the human beings by their nature. That is his values. In his inheritance, it should come. For David Rosen, when he was studying itself, he used to make up in a different sense, and he used to act like different things, especially like animals or something different, even in case of school days. So his vision has been turned in that direction. How you can create something different ways without giving disrespect to nature. So in such case, he created the lab, Kira Lab. You can say that what? Inheritance. Based upon his inherited values, he created that one. He is the only one person was in the first time. He created a small business, and he mentioned that he used to have only one computer, and he used to have only one product, and he used to pack that one in UPS. UPS is the like our Amazon delivery person. It is UPS is famous in throughout the globe. Of course, it is famous in US. He used to sell the products. He loved that products. That is important. It is inherited in his mind. He used to love the product. Any defect, he used to identify, he used to rectify immediately. It is his passion towards the product. It may be any product, usually cinema actors. Cinema actors are called as inherited entrepreneurs. Even you can consider as the Amitabh Bachchan or Abhishek Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is the first generation inherited entrepreneur. The acting is in their blood. They used to create the value with the help of their acting. You might have seen the Amitabh Bachchan in very old films, even in Sholay to present. You might have seen the how Amitabh Bachchan is creating the values. It is also called as inherited entrepreneur. In our view, even Amitabh Bachchan, even Abhishek Bachchan is coming under the inherited entrepreneurs. They are having their own skills. They wish to grab opportunity from that one. That is why Amitabh Bachchan now entered into Just Dial for advertisement. You are seeing Amitabh in different ads. Her vision is one not for acting in a film, how to provide the value because of his values, acting as the value. He created the mission with that one. That is why he is acting. He is acting in advertisements. He is an actor. All those things. It is an inherited value. Likewise, here is the person in Kira Labs. He was having his own values. He used to bring that one. These persons are very, very sensitive persons. They never go in any other direction. You can see Amitabh is giving values for his own brand name and how to make others entertain. That is why he used to act in Kor Banega Crorepati. See that one, how the Amitabh created that one. Some of the actors, They won't act in any other advertisement or they won't act in TV serials like that. But Amitabh character is not like that. Her inherited values, it should come in front. As a human being, we have some inherited values. You can grab the opportunities based upon that inherited values. Some of them used to become the priest in some of the temples. Father is the priest, son may be the priest in a particular temple. They used to create the values for that one. They used to grab ideas and opportunities from their inherited values. Next group of classification, we used to call it as pure entrepreneur, induced, motivated, and spontaneous. Let us see the very good example of pure entrepreneur. You know about that person. I think some biotechnology students are also there. Who is that person? Come on.
Kiran Majumdar.
What?
Kiran Majumdar.
Yes, good. Why she is called as a pure entrepreneur? Of course, when you gone through the history beyond that one, she started her studying in case of hotel industries, that is catering science, everything. She used to give importance, value for that one. But in her mindset, she wished to be an entrepreneur and he used to give some sort of values to the persons working under him and equality. Her vision is to create an equality, not biocon business, even though we used to call it as biocon. But she has been recognized everywhere because of her equality values. She was affected by COVID, I think, recently. Yesterday, I think some of you might have seen in Bangalore, Mirror News, she came out of the COVID. And by that time also, she used to mention how she created a equality values among everybody. That is why she is called as a pure entrepreneur. Pure entrepreneur will give equal values to all those things who are empowered by him and whom he is empowering. That is important. Most of them says that pure entrepreneur means his aim is only to create new business, then he will close, he will create new business and he will close. It is not like that. His, her vision is to create an equality in the society. He studied about the catering science and hotel management. He learned everything in the biotechnology. Then she started the firm. Of course, now she is giving the moral values in the terms of equality to everybody. And during the COVID pandemic, you might have seen what was her reaction for the COVID-19. She identified number of solutions how to boost up immunity. She used to provide the values equality. She clearly mentioned first immunity booster we are going to give those people who are living under the poverty, below the poverty. He used to identify the workers throughout Bangalore who wish to go to their place, especially Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. All these workers, she has given the free immunity booster. See that one. She has not given the immunity booster to sell in the open market for others. Her value, she mentioned, I expect equality among everybody. And whatever the product from the biocon she gained, but see that one. Her value is not to create only the business values, but this business value should achieve the moral values in the society by gaining anything. Most of the workers, they are unable to get money because they lost business, they lost their job because of COVID-19. But she has taken the responsibility of that one. She entered into the palace grounds in Bangalore because most of the workers were there by that time. They are ready to go by trains. Even there was a problem between railways and others. But this Kiran Mazumdar, She created her value by providing the immunity booster by them. Her values is making equal. Even in her business, she used to create values, equality values. That is why he is called as the pure entrepreneur. He used to develop the business equal value with others. Pure entrepreneur means they will satisfy their vision along equally with others. That is their vision. Here she used to run a very big business. She is a member of number of councils in India, and she is encouraging others to do their business. Encourage. That is why she is called as the pure entrepreneur. She only not improving. She is giving empowerment to others. If you are having new product, biotechnology students, if you identified some innovative ventureship, you identified some innovative product, you can join hands with her. Your product will be marketed by her. She will take the responsibility. She will provide you the lab facilities, everything to develop your product. Based upon that, she used to create more entrepreneurs. That is why she is called as the pure entrepreneur. See that one. She is creating more number of entrepreneurs. That is why she is called as the pure entrepreneurs. Okay? Next one. Induced entrepreneurs. Like inherited, this is induced. Their vision is in a different manner. They are induced by maybe parents or by the society. They are having their vision, but it is not born. It is made by others, but not learned. Based upon the others, they used to have that one. Here you can see how the Mustafa, that is, I think you know PC Mustafa, he is the owner of the ID. You might have used, you are using in Bangalore, most of the persons for idli and dosa batter. Instead of grinding the mix, you are using this one ID. But how he created that one? He is considered as an induced entrepreneur because his vision is induced by others. When he was alone, like you, he used to cook, but he preferred idli and dosa. But in those days, there was no idli and dosa butter. He wished to make a livelihood. By that time, his innovative vision created. Definitely, we have to do something. Why can't we can introduce the ID butter? That is the induced. Others induce him. We are here to take care of you. So based upon that, he came forward with just 25,000 money. Now he is the owner for 100 crore assets. He was called as induced entrepreneur. Maybe in another sense, he is also considered as the business entrepreneur because he is now clearly doing his values in enlarging his own business. This person's vision is to create values for others by some innovative products or something. His mission is to create the entrepreneurial values by selling essential products which has been induced by him. That is induced from the others. That is why it's called as the induced entrepreneur. Next one. Yes. Motivated entrepreneurs. Most probably, the social entrepreneurs may also comes under the heading motivated entrepreneur. But in case of the first example, what you have seen in the last class, it is different. But here, motivated entrepreneur, you might have seen the Gurbakshal Sahal, Gurbakshal. He created a Sahal Foundation. See that one. He is considered as one of the social entrepreneur, but he has been motivated by others like a leadership style. He was having his vision to serve the society, but he was motivated by others. In previous case, induced by his friends. But this person, he formed an association which is called as Chahal Foundation. He created that foundation to work for others, but he has been motivated by his own followers. Usually, openly saying all these political parties are motivated entrepreneurs, provided the party head is motivated by the followers. If the followers join hands and identify one person as the leader and they are creating the value out of that one, they are called as motivated entrepreneurs. Since this is a common platform, I need not wish to quote any political party here. But usually all these political party are coming under the motivated entrepreneurs. The political party leaders, they are having their vision. But how they are achieving their vision with the mission based upon the followers. Followers make him as the leader. Based upon that one, they are identifying the opportunities. They are called as motivated entrepreneurs. Social entrepreneurs are mostly like that, but now very good example is only political parties. Next, the spontaneous entrepreneur. These person use their talent. Somebody asked the innovation. They will use their own talent to bring their ideas, a dream into a reality, like our Abdul Kalam vision. How to bring the dream into reality. This person will have that one. You might have seen this spontaneously. He has to take decision. Suddenly he has to take decision. It is not from his mindset. Suddenly his mind will say, why can't we can do this one? Suddenly he used to take that decision, spontaneous decision with spontaneous values. That is important. Oyo rooms, this Ritesh Agarwal, he find it very difficult to identify rooms for staying. When he went for tour, you might have seen the biography of him. Of course, we'll have the case study, I think, in the 4th unit about the Ritesh Agarwal. We'll study that one. What are all the problems he faced? When he was in such a condition, he think about why can't we can create a platform. We can join hands with other persons. Most of the hotel owners, we will provide a platform to them so that they will also earn, we will also earn. When he suffered most, usually if you are suffering, from that suffering you will realize the best things. Sufferings in the sense failures, it is not based upon your disease or anything. If there's any failure, you will learn from that one. Ritesh Agarwal was like that. His aim was not to create OYO rooms in the beginning stage, but he suffered for non-identification of rooms when he used to travel. Spontaneously, he decided to have OYO rooms. See that one. That is the entrepreneurship. Suddenly he developed. He changed his original vision. And based upon the new vision, he changed. You can see, usually, I think psychologists are also there. This person, nobody is ready to believe because they will change mindset frequently. But in case of business, it is not like that. We need such type of changes also. Ritesh Agarwal was having such thing. That is why he is considered as the spontaneous entrepreneur. Likewise, there are some other classifications based upon the technical things. First one is technical entrepreneur. Based upon the technology mindset, you can easily see Steve Jobs, no other person we can say. Very good example. This is normal meaning, layman meaning. Technical entrepreneur, whatever they are good. In case of MCA students, they will create an app, they will do. Psychology students, they will go for clinical psychology, they will practice automatically. Then you are considered as the technical entrepreneur. Steve Jobs did that one. In your field, you can blossom. That is the technical entrepreneur. But if you are blossoming, if you are doing in other field, you are considered as the non-technical entrepreneur. Michael Dell, very good example. He doesn't know anything about the computers, anything, but he created the Dell. That is a non-technical one. Very important thing. Non-technical never means the other than technology. It is not like the Dell is considered with the entire technical things. But the entrepreneur, we are not considering the business unit. We are considering the individual person. Michael Dell was not having any idea about the computers or technology part, but he came forward to introduce the Dell. Some of the persons, they may not be a very good doctors, they may not be any MBBS doctors, but they used to found the hospitals. They used to run hospitals successfully. They may not be doctors. I have seen number of examples. Even in case of Bangalore, you can see most of the hospitals, which was introduced in 2000, it was promoted by normal persons, not by the doctors. But once the MBBS doctors gain too much, they are promoting as their own technical entrepreneurs. Previously, the best hospitals, they are not having their own doctors. They are having only entrepreneurship values. They started their hospitals, appointed number of MBBS doctors. They used to run. That is the non-technical group of entrepreneurs. Then the professional people. We have discussed the professionalism on the other day, who are called professional by the psychologist for entrepreneurship. Professional entrepreneurship, their vision, mission are same. There is no change. Both mission, vision will be same thing. Because they are professional. Doctors, they are called as professional people, they were good in their practice. Likewise, here is a different person, Levy. You might have seen the brand name everywhere. You are simply one of the department head in the White House. Then he is the speaker to the United Nations. He is the CEO in number of organizations. He educated in Harvard Business School. Even he used to perform the TV network. But he created his own brand, Levy. See that one. That is the profession. So wherever he is working, his work is different, his vision is different. But his vision and mission goes in the same direction. He worked in different places. He worked in White House. He worked as the speaker in United Nations. Whenever he is working, he is having his own dream. He used to create some branded products. He used to design. Because of that one, number of lifestyle products came in the name of Levy. See that one. He is a professional people. He can work anywhere, but his mindset is towards creating the different products. You can see the Levy brand everywhere now. But the founder is not a worker or CEO. He performs all these things in the secondary job. He is a professional people. Now he is fully engaged with Levy. But in beginning stages, he was having his dream. He used to satisfy his dream in such a manner. That is why these people are called professional people. And they are the professional entrepreneurs. Okay? Likewise, that's another good classification: innovative, adaptive, Fabian, drone. Innovative, you know that one. Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook, how here innovative entrepreneurship also, innovation also. Everything is changed. Nobody thought about Facebook. Nobody thought about this thing. So his ventureship is also innovative, entirely new. And Mark Zuckerberg made, nobody thought about there's a social media platform in those days, but he created. Both ventureship and venture is entirely new and innovative. Likewise, there is one concept called Fabian entrepreneur. This is purely based upon the activities of an entrepreneur. He used to respond to changes only if he faces the failure. Till then, he never used to change his mind. But most of them like that person because he is very clear in his views. Let us see the example of the Fabian entrepreneur, Tom Anderson. I think some of you heard about that one, MySpace. He established the social networking website called MySpace from Los Angeles. What he did, same thing like Facebook he created. He was an organization founder. He never used to change. Even though there's a failure in myspace.com, he never used to come out. He used to continue. He is saying, once others will come down, my business will move up. That is, some of the persons are having such type of ideas. They won't come out of this thing. They will be very strong in their values. That is called Fabian entrepreneurs. This is a very good example of that one. Even some of the persons, whatever may things happen, they won't worry about that one. Even if there is loss, they will continue. Same thing, there's another classification called drone. Even if there's a loss, they never worry about that one. They used to identify, they never grab the opportunities from loss. In case of previous example, we have discussed in case COVID, everything, they used to find out the opportunity. These people, they never identify new opportunities, but like Fabian entrepreneurs, they are very strong in their fundamentals. They are very big persons. They are somewhat equivalent to pure entrepreneurs also. You can see the example for drone entrepreneurs, Jai Alucas. They are very, very strong. Their business is jewelry. And they are very strong in their core value. They want, whether the gold price increase or decrease or fluctuating, or somebody is saying, no, 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 nobody will buy gold jewelry or jewelry. They never worry about that one. That is the plus point. Drone entrepreneurs, some of them say that we have to reject drone entrepreneurs because their vision and mission is not clear. It is not like that. Dear students, you must understand drone entrepreneurs are very, very strong fundamentalists. You can see the example of Joy Alcott, how they are creating the values only from jewelry business. Even now, they are very strong. Of course, they may face competition, everything. Most of them used to command, why these people are still in jewelry? Why can't they can come in some other business? Of course, their son and their family members, they are coming in another business. But these drone entrepreneurs used to give importance for their own values from the beginning. Okay, likewise, skeptical entrepreneurs. These skeptical entrepreneurs will identify business from somebody. The risk-taking ability is less. They won't take risks. They will be simply observing what others are doing. But they are providing values for that. You can see the LIC agents. Very good example. There are a number of LIC agents. Even they are working in some organization and they are called skeptical entrepreneurs. Reason, they won't come forward for a new business, but they will join hands with that one. They are called skeptical entrepreneurs. Next one is copycat. This is based upon their behavioral part. First part we have discussed in the previous class, it is purely based upon individual responsibility. Here, how they are behaving. You can see the Swiggy and Tomato, copycat entrepreneurs. Their ventureship, they used to copycat, imitate. We have discussed it. The style of entrepreneur, they won't imitate. Swiggy and Zomato, ventureship form is same thing. But their mindset will be different. How to attract the people? Swiggy is having different values, Zomato is having different value. If the ventureship is taken from one body to another body, it is called as copycat. Swiggy has taken from Zomato, Zomato might have taken from somebody. So ventureship is from one organization, but both are competitors for each other. That is the thing. So this is based upon the behavioral part. Then the research entrepreneur, recently they introduced that one. Some of the entrepreneurs frequently change. I already told the example of Healthians. There is one group called Healthians group. Actually, they started in supply chain, in logistics. Because of COVID, they changed their business. They joined hands with Big Basket. And now they join hands with some of the industrial entrepreneurs for manufacturing the ventilators. And the Healthians joined hands with the hospitals to create a humanoid to test the COVID patients also. I think in Fortis Hospital they introduced. See that one. The research based upon the current trend, they used to change their minds. Suddenly they will be doing this much, suddenly then that business. But they are very clear in their views. That is important. Healthy and same, they wish to create some values. Nobody knows what is that values. They are very clear in mind. But the business will go diversified. That is why they are called as research entrepreneurs. Because if you want to have a diversified view, you should be very, very clear in all the 360-degree angle. Likewise, determined entrepreneur, we have already discussed Bill Gates. Accomplished entrepreneur, we have discussed in case of Bansal's Flipkart story, how they created the accomplished entrepreneurs. Okay. Let us move on to the second part. Now I am not going to tell. Now you can unmute yourself. You are going to tell the classification. I am going to show the image. Based upon that, you are going to tell me what type of entrepreneurs are these. Here I am showing one example. Is an IAS officer. Of course, now he joined hands with the farmers in Mizoram. Okay? And he is providing values for his own society in Mizoram. What type of entrepreneur is? Come on.
Agriculture.
Agriculture, good. It may be in different area. Come on. Any other? Yes, Nitish is having some idea.
Social, sir.
Social, of course, good because he is an IAS officer. So he decided to join hands with the people. Good. Others, I think somebody has raised it.
The service, sir.
Good. I accept that one. Justin. That is the service entrepreneur. Don't worry whether you are telling correct answer, wrong answer. Even service entrepreneur, as per textbook, it is correct, but it is no. It depends upon the person. We are studying to know about the character. So don't worry about correct and wrong answer. This mention as the service. He earned lot as an IAS officer, but his mind, how it is changing. Good. Let us go for the next one. Here is the Tesla founder, Elon Musk. See that one. At the age of 24, he created the business. Kimball founded. Number of stores he started, of course. Now he is leading number of organization. You might have known about Elon Musk. What is the classification? Come on. Even you can classify in two headings.
Technical.
Pure
Tech,
entrepreneur.
pure entrepreneur, technical, good,
Research.
research,
Innovative, sir.
innovative. Yes, come on. One more answer. I mean,
Spontaneous. Entrepreneur.
spontaneous. Good. As per the textbook, he is mentioned as the spontaneous, like our OYO founder. Because his vision is entirely different. But if you read the story only, you will understand. Otherwise, it takes more time. He suffered a lot. You know, when he was a kid, he was not even permitted to enter some of the organizations. He suddenly created, nobody expected. That's what he is mentioned. Of course, another body also, students also tell another answer. It is also correct. He is also coming under the technical entrepreneurs. Because he is having such knowledge, but he didn't use. When he converted his ideas spontaneously, it entered into his mind. Good. Yes. Then we have already discussed. You need not tell the same thing. You have to classify in some other thing. Michael Dell. Yes, come on. What is the classification? Other than non-technical entrepreneur, you have to tell. You have discussed him as the. Yes, come on, tell. Don't worry whether you are telling correctly or wrongly.
First generation, sir. First generation.
First generation. Good. Any other answer?
Innovator.
Innovative. Of course, he innovated at present. Good.
Sir, motivated, sir.
Motivated. Good. The correct answer. Motivated. How he has been motivated. That is important thing. Dell, how it provides the value to that one. Of course, the first answer is also somewhat correct. But conceptual background, they call it as a motivated entrepreneur. We'll move on to the next. Yes, Facebook, other than the innovation, you have to tell me. Mark Zuckerberg. You know, he entered in the age of 19. Yes, come on.
Social, sir.
Social, I think based upon social network, you are saying. Yes, you are, I think, 68% correct. He'll expect some other answer. Social entrepreneur.
So Fabian, sir.
Fabian. Good. You are 78% correct.
Spontaneous.
Spontaneous. Of course, you are correct by 30%. Come on.
Innovative.
Innovative. That I already told because he's an innovative, because his business is also innovative. Facebook, everything.
Business, sir.
Yes? Come on.
Sir, skeptical, sir.
Skeptical. Correct. See
Sir,
that
the
one.
technopreneur.
Very good. Even you can call it as technopreneur, but skeptical entrepreneur. That is, you can see his age was 19 when he started Facebook. Your age is, I think, more than 19, or some of them may have 19 age. So you have to be motivated with this person. Another one. Other than the classification, what we have discussed, you have to tell other example. eBay founder. Other than trading, you have to tell.
Pure, sir.
Yes. Any other? Yes, come on. Why? I think you slept well, some of them. Come on. That's what I told. Note down somewhere else so that you can easily understand all those things. Yes, one answer. Somebody is coming forward. Come on.
Service entrepreneur. Sir, service entrepreneur.
Service entrepreneur. Good. Very clearly, service entrepreneur. I told the example of service. It never means the service of one person. It will be considered upon the opportunity how is considering from the service. His service is entirely different. Okay. Next.
So
Bill
business.
Gates. Yes, ma. Bill Gates. Other than what you have discussed, you have to tell.
Business entrepreneur.
Good business entrepreneur. Come on.
Pure entrepreneur, sir.
Pure entrepreneur. Now it is more than 80% correct. Come out. Yes, one more answer.
Sir, retail entrepreneur.
Retail entrepreneur. Okay, but now his vision is different. You are 40% correct, of course.
Sir, social entrepreneur, sir.
Good social entrepreneur. Very good. You see the Bill Gates now. You are seeing this. You have to see the second phase, actual phase of the Bill Gates. We have discussed about the professional values of an entrepreneur in previous class. That is how shown. How he is creating Bill Gates Foundation. How he is entering into the society. So what is his vision towards the society? See that one. Amount he is not utilizing for himself. That is important thing. He is a very much satisfied person. That is why we used to say, smile as Bill Gates. In professional qualities of the entrepreneur, I think that psychologist clearly mentioned. After his research, he mentioned, smile as a Bill Gates. A businessman won't smile. Smiling is very difficult in the face of the businessman because he is taking risk. Every time he is thinking money, money, money. But Bill Gates is not like that. See the second story of the Bill Gates, or how much he is contributing to the society.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, when you describe about the type of entrepreneurs, and a person can be both innovative and real.
yes. I already told. Even you can classify in 2 or 3 manners. Because this is based upon the individuality. A person may have that multitasking, definitely. Okay, next one, we'll see. Yes, Yahoo founder, Jerry Yang. You can see by the age of 25 itself, he started Yahoo. Yes,
Social entrepreneur.
social entrepreneur, but you are, of course, 61% correct.
Sir, drone entrepreneur, sir.
Drone entrepreneur, correct, very good. See that one. He is like Joy Alucas. Yahoo is not doing anything other than that one. He is very, very clear. Even that is why most of them used to tell against Yahoo. But Yahoo, they are not worrying about anything. They are very clear. They are doing in the same position, same level, but providing values to others. That is why they are classified under the drone. Good. And SoftBank, I think from your science students may not know about that person. Some of them may know. He is a very big person. He introduced the SoftBank. SoftBank is one of the bank used to provide loans, even the capital to the entrepreneurs. And you can see that one. They gained a very big, of course. It is from the Sharp Electronics organization. He introduced the electronics organization. Later on, he founded the SoftBank. SoftBank is very famous. Most of the Indian entrepreneurs, they are getting the fund from them. And their background is from Sharp Electronics. You can tell, don't worry about the correct
Sir,
answer.
technology.
Sir,
Technology,
pure.
pure entrepreneur, good.
Sir, skeptical.
Cannot skeptical also somewhat come, but he is like our Kiran Mazumdar. Like equality concept. His vision is also equality. He never considered any person as a big or small. Of course, why I am telling equivalent to Kiran Mazumdar, but anything like equality, in case of pure entrepreneur, any vision may be there. Here, if you want to get approach, he will consider even the big person in same manner, small person in the same manner. That is the equality treatment created by him, even by the age of 24. Yes, Jack Ma. Other than trading entrepreneur, you have to tell me. We have already discussed the professional qualities of the Jack Ma. As an entrepreneur, some cases you have to dance if your customer asks. That is why in business we used to tell, dance like a Jack Ma. It never means you have to dance. Of course, Jack Ma really danced. That is the professional thing. Why we used to call it as, you have to go according to the customer values. As a customer, he is asking you to dance, you have to dance. That is why in business, we used to call it as dance like a Jack Ma, a professional quality. He, of course, he is coming under the trading entrepreneur. Other than trading entrepreneur, you have to tell me, based upon his quality.
Determined, sir.
Good, determined entrepreneur. That's what I like. First stage, it will be made it correctly. That is the determined person. You might have read the story of Alibaba and the Jack Ma also. First, he used to teach only English. You want to be a teacher. Then how he changed. Especially he was determined towards that one. Even then, even he used to create the values for his customer. Customer is the first person. But he never mentioned that customer as the God or king. He changed the marketing concept. Usually in case of marketing, I used to teach customer as the person who is satisfied. But Jack Ma never mentioned like that. Customer is the person we have to engage. It is not customer satisfaction. You used to tell customer engagement. He may be with us, he may not be with us, but engage our customers. That is why you used to dance, even in the annual general meeting. Good. That is the determined power of the Jack Ma. That is why he is called as the determined. Good. Yes. Then coming to the Google founders. You know, everybody is using Google. Without Google, there is no computer now. Even my grandkid is telling like that. Tata, without Google, you won't sleep. Huh? When he is opening the system, he is asking, oh, Google? He used to talk with the Google, like Amazon Alexa. Such a thing Google created. So what type of entrepreneur? Larry Page. Yes, come on. What happened? No answer. Some of them, they are not at all answering. Come forward. Eh, inside the classroom like this, I will spot and find out. But we are connecting virtually.
Sir, innovative.
Innovative, of course.
Technical.
Technical, good. Come on. Yes, come on. I think Flancy.
Sir,
Can it be said copycat as well?
Copycat. Oh, according to you, copycat from Yahoo and Google. Okay, you are also 70% correct. Come, somebody based upon their behavior. Never see their business, see the individual behavior. How Google has changed. Now, if you are working in Google, you are given the full power to the CEO. Now, Sundar Pichai, even though he is working under Google, he is considered as an entrepreneur because he can take his own decision. He is an entrepreneur, he can take own decision. But Google is created by these two persons. There is no relationship between the Google as well as the Sundar Pichai. How the power has been given. I given the clue. Yes. Like Kiran Mazumdar. Now tell me the answer.
Pure, sir.
Yes, pure entrepreneurs. They are pure entrepreneurs. They are given the power. Even Kiran Mazumdar, what she used to do, a CEO can take decision. She never involved in that one. She will develop, that's all. She used to develop number of biotechnology students into entrepreneurs. They will take their own decision. She won't interfere. That is the values of equality she used to give as a pure entrepreneur. Yes, now the Oracle founder. Yes, you can see the Oracle, you know about the Oracle. MCA students are there, computer science students are there.
Research.
Yes, research. Good, you are some. Yes,
Business.
business. Yes, you are coming around 82% correct. Business. Then
Retail.
retail, okay.
The
Then
technical.
good, technical entrepreneur. That is the USP of Oracle. Now Oracle is considered as a fintech also. Even reserve, you may not know, RBI depends upon Oracle. Because Oracle only given the very good software for them. The trend is changing. That is the technical, how the creating the technical from the scratch to the top level. Apple. Other than the first one you have discussed, now you have to tell. Because
Innovator.
innovation, everybody will know. Okay, then, yes, Amazon, Jeff Bezos. Now he is a retail entrepreneur. Other than retail entrepreneur, you have to tell me. Come on.
Social entrepreneur.
Social entrepreneur. Of course, you are 48% correct.
Motivated entrepreneur.
Motivative, good.
Sir, non-technical, sir.
Non-technical, good. Correct answer is non-technical. How Jeff Bezos? He doesn't know ABC of retailing. He doesn't know how to code. Jeff Bezos. Of course, he founded the Amazon. See that one. Then he learned. That is the core value of Jeff Bezos. We are concerned with the individual thing. Good. Let us see. Yes, coming to the Indian style. Very old. Dhirubhai Ambani.
First generation, sir.
Yes?
First generation.
Yes. First generation. Good. Very good example. You might have seen the very old film acted by Abhishek Bachchan. Guru. You might have known about the Dhirubhai Ambani. Ratan Tata. Other than what you have mentioned, you have to tell me.
Inherited, sir.
Good. It's not only industry, but also inherited. That is why Ratan Tata is still the mindset. Yes, Narayana Murthy of Infosys. but not equivalent to Nandan Nilekani. Nandan Nilekani type is different. This is also one of the co-founder of Infosys. We have seen on the other day one picture, Narayana Murthy and Ratan Tata. Narayana Murthy used to bend in front of Ratan Tata. They introduced the software. Now you can see Electronic City. It is gaining more momentum for Bangalore. It changed the name of the Bangalore to a Silicon Valley of India.
So technical.
Technical, of course, you are also correct. We can also classify in another manner.
So social, sir.
Social, yes, they are very good in social. Any other view? Yes, come on. What happened? How Narayana Murthy created the Infosys? What is the value he created? Come on, anyone answer?
Corporate.
What? Copycat. Yeah.
Corporate, sir.
Yes, some other answer?
Induced, sir, induced.
Yes, good. Induced entrepreneur. That is the, if you are seeing the Narayana Murthy in YouTube, you will understand. Go through the speech given by the Narayana Murthy, how he has been induced to create the Infosys. Yes, this is a very important one, Azim Premji of Wipro. Next topic, we are going to discuss the case study of Wipro only. How Wipro started the entire story of Azim as the case study. Before that, you must know what is his thing. You know, he has not completed his education. Suddenly he returned back to India. He started from oil manufacturing, sunflower, vanaspati, all these things. But now you can see the Wipro, how it is going on, how much contribution he is doing. See the Azim Premji now, not in 1970s or 1980s. Based upon the power of Azim Premji, now you have to tell me. We are having Premji University also.
Social, sir.
Social, of course, you are also correct. This also correct answer, social.
So
Because
drone.
drone, yes, changed his vision. You can see, first he used to start with his father business. Then he introduced some other business, likewise. Any other answer?
Research, sir.
Yes?
Research.
Research, good. That is also correct answer. One more thing.
Sir, determined, sir, determined.
Determined, okay. Yes, any other answer?
Professional, sir.
Professional, good. That's all. As per the conceptual law, is mentioned as the professional. That's why I told, based upon the today's level, is considered as a professional. Yes. You might have seen the Airtel, ArcelorMittal. You are using Airtel. This is the owner of the Airtel, Lakshmi Mittal. No, yes, given competition to even Tata.
Industrial entrepreneur.
Yes, good industrial entrepreneur. That's why given the clue. Industry. Number of units are benefited. He is not only running Airtel, he is running number of things. But he used to give value to others. Of course, the persons who are following, they are changing their views. But Lakshmi Mittal views are equivalent to Ratan Tata. Very good person. Now he is no more, of course. Varghese Korean is basically from Kerala, but he started Amul in Gujarat, Anand, and used to call it as Gujarat Cooperative Milk Society, Amul. Amul is very famous brand. Yes, come on.
Agriculture.
Social.
Agriculture, social. Yes, the correct answer is agriculture. Agriculture. How he created the green values. If you visit the Anand and see the Amul products, you will understand. Each and every product used to create values. I personally met him in one of the conference in IIM Ahmedabad in 1999 itself. He used to give a very good speech. After that, we met him in the dinner. I am astonished because of his behavior. He used to come down. He used to pick each and every vegetables and used to tell, do you know what is this value of this vegetable? Everything. How he is giving the values for the agriculture. Even now, everybody used to respect him there. Yes, Anand Mahendra, very famous person at now, everywhere. I think you may be friend of Anand Mahendra in Twitter or in LinkedIn. If you are not, you can join hands with him. He's a very famous person. We have discussed his professional qualities on the other day. He used to provide even one of the Mahindra Jeep to one auto driver.
So industrial.
Industrial, good. It is also correct answer. It is 100% correct. One more answer. Another correct answer I am expecting. He's an industrialist. Very good. He created industry in diversified area. He used to give values to all these things. Likewise, he is also considered in anybody? Now he is involved in social entrepreneurship. That is the thing. Come on. Oh, 4:30, the power went out. Okay, likewise, Shivanada, that you know, we have discussed. Sunil Mittal, same bar, the group. Okay. With this, we will come to an end. So, your answer, you are going to type, what type of entrepreneur are you? You are going to define your individual value in a single line in the answer. I already told you, dear students. So, think about what we have discussed. Then, find out your own values. We have discussed a number of persons and based upon their opportunity, how we can classify. Classification is relevant. You have studied to know how to grab the opportunities. That's what you studied. So, think that one, define yourself. That means what type of entrepreneur. If you are unable to define yourself, at least able to define your character and join with the entrepreneur. Because these are all the important questions in civil service. First question is compulsory. You are asked to define yourself. Who are you? Define you. You are now PG. You can see number of persons by the age of 19, 18, even we have discussed in 8th standard, one of the students became the entrepreneur. Now think about age. What is your personal value? Who are you? What type of entrepreneur you are? Define yourself. You can take your own time. Even till tomorrow, I need not worry. So, need not think about attendance. I expect something, a correct answer. Correct answer in the sense, your vision. I can't say that answer is correct or wrong. You will say your answer is correct or wrong. Okay? Think about you and mention in the Google form. Take your own time till tomorrow and mention. Until then, bye-bye. See you. We will meet
Thank you,
in
sir.
next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Can enter in the Google Classroom at least by tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.